Alrighty guys, welcome back to the MooSe's KraZii YouTube channel. Tonight you guys, we got the grinders going up against Team KraZii MooSe. We're playing some Rocket League Snowday, a little hockey. You guys, we're doing the double goal map here, stadium. We got 3-on-3 pro difficulties. Who do we have on the team? We got Buzz and C-Block on the team here tonight, you guys. Oh, this is going to be crazy. Okay, come on. Zoink! Oh, let it go in, please! Oh, shoot. Okay. Zoinks! We got the double goal stadium going on tonight. Look at the puck just bouncing. Zoinks! Oh, somebody clear the zone! Ah! You guys, the puck is not sliding. Like it's not on ice, so it doesn't know how to bounce. Ah, I missed it. No, don't let him. Okay. Goodness gracious. Here we go. Zoinks! That's going to go through for a goal. Oh, my goodness. 4:13 to go in the game. KraZii MooSe up 1-0 over the grinders. Zoinks! Went through all the freaking defense. Nice. We got Hound, Scout, and Pinocchio on the other team. Oh, I done got exploded. Oh, boy. Oh, could that be a shot on goal? Ah! Shout. Don't let him score C-Block, please. Ah, dang it. That got sent up, you guys. Ah! Halfway through my jump, I knew it wasn't good. Oh, son of a gun. Zoinks! Oh, I cleared it. That's going to go all the way down to our side. Could that go in the goal? Kick it in, C-Block. Buddy. Oh, shoot. All that freaking work. Oh, boy. Oh, nice saves. Good save, buddy. C-Block, kick it in for us. Zoinks! KraZii MooSe with the second goal of the game. Guys, it plays different. It's not playing like it's a hockey rink. The puck is bouncing a little harder. Here we go. Zoinks! Okay, just trying to keep it on our side of the rink, you guys. There we go. I still call it a rink. Okay, clear the zone. Buzz. Oh, shoot! Going to our goal. Look at that puck bounce! Zoinks! Oh! Caught the front of my nose! Hound! Where's the puck? Oh, shoot! Go in! Oh, dang it, guys! That's our insurance goal! Oh, I'm getting bumped around. C-Block! Stop kicking me, buddy! Alright, come on. Ah! Oh, you tell me I didn't get no epic saves? Oh, shoot! Look at this! Oh my goodness, I should have got the epic save on the first one. Obviously he scored the second one, but the first one was saved. Dang it. Oh, shoot. You guys, that insurance goal is what I'm telling you. Oh, don't let it go in, please. Buzz, send it around. Send it around, buddy. There you go. Oh, shoot. There we go. That's the insurance goal we're looking for. Crazy Moose with 2 goals. Buzz with 1 goal. Look at that freaking bounce. Oh, I was coming in, too. I was double pumping it from the foul line. Michael J. style. Come! Zoinks! Okay. Okay. Oh, goodness! Is that a shot on goal? It is! There we go! Crazy Moose! Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at that hop, skip, and jump. 1:03 to go in the game. We're up 4-1. I gotta start doing a couple more of these alternative maps, you guys. This thing is just weird. No, score. Okay, Buzz, bring that around. There we go. Buzz is 1 goal away from a hat trick. I might have to keep sending it down. So hopefully Buzz will get a hat trick. I got my hat trick. Goodness. I'm going to have to start figuring out the angles of these walls. 50 seconds to go in the game. We're up by 4. Oh, shoot. Oh, don't go in. Oh, dang it. Kick it down. There we go. Here we go. Setting it up. Knocking it down. Oh, dang it. 18 seconds to go. Don't let him score, please. Oh, I was so up on my entrance on that. Seablock trying to get a goal. Oh my, that puck went straight up in the air. Let's get a hood slide. Oh. Crazy Moose. Team Crazy Moose. Look at this. 341-foot sniper shot from Buzz, you guys. Goodness gracious. That's like around the world. Team Crazy Moose with 5. The Grinders with 1. Scout on the Grinders got their only goal. Pinocchio got the save. And then Scout and Hound both had shots. Team Crazy Moose, though, we had a hat trick. 3 goals for Crazy Moose. Buzz was trying to get his hat trick, but only got 2 goals. Buzz got 1 assist. C-Block got 2 assists. C-Block also had a save. I should have had 2 saves in that game, you guys. I had 2 shots with 3 goals. Don't know how the math works on that. And then Buzz had 1 shot with 2 goals. Don't know how the math works on that either. Oh, well. You guys, hit the like, get the freaking subscribe. Alternate maps, playing hockey in the double goal labs. 3-on-3 pro difficulties, you guys. Goodness gracious, the Grinders done got grinded. Hit the like, hit the freaking subscribe. Like I say, we're down here in the MooSe Cave, just trying to have fun, not trying to take life too serious. Laugh at yourself every once in a while, but laugh at the Moose all the time. Till next time, you guys, I'm out. Grinders got grinded. See you.